Hello everyone! Today we are showing the process for the controlled burn that we had here at Bask over the late winter. With the help from our fantastic friends at SGI, or the Southern Grasslands Institute, we had prescribed burns on several key areas of the property. The footage in this video is covering the burn that happened in the front meadow. SGI also burned specific areas of our savanna and into the upper oak woodland areas of the property. They have worked with us to develop a multi-year proposal that includes prescribed burns every other year. This year, they focus on the section of the field closest to the Buffalo Lodge, as you can see, and they will alternate and burn the section closest to the greenhouse location next year, and then back and forth for the years to come. Controlled burns can be dangerous if not handled properly with the right equipment and expertise, so we are happy to have SGI out here to help us do this safely so we don't hurt anyone and we don't hurt the property. If this is something you're interested in doing on your property, we would advise talking to professionals such as SGI or the Tennessee Department of Forestry. A prescribed burn has many benefits to native plant, animal, and insect populations when it is done intentionally. Fire is an important aspect of the natural cycle of our healthy native ecosystem historically, and part of our work at the Bask site is to use methods that nature has already developed to aid in our own restoration efforts. Burning this meadow helps speed the process of returning carbon and nitrogen from dead plant vegetation into the soil, giving the dormant seed bank within the soil a head start in the spring season. Some invasives that have not evolved in the areas where fire happens naturally have a harder time thriving in these burned areas, so this is a way of giving our native grasses, sedges, and other perennials a leg up in the competition for our meadow's soil. While the burn won't completely get rid of all of our invasive plants, it'll help us and save us time from hand pulling and hand treating a lot of these plants that we're trying to get rid of. The existence of a stronger native plant presence in our front meadow will allow for more native birds and insects that cohabitate in and around all of these native plants to thrive. The burn in our savanna and upper woodland areas of the property took a similar shape, but strategic fire breaks were created along the burn lines in order to help keep the fire contained within the desired areas that SGI had planned for the burn. Already, we can see some exciting new growth taking hold in these areas post-burn, and we're looking forward to seeing how our understory responds to multiple rounds of burning over the next several years.